Hello everyone, we have a scene by default lighting. Nothing is good. We want to light up the scene, set up the scene lighting, open the HDRP Lighting Box, save your profile. As you can see, the default lighting is a bit better. Okay, we just need to remove this directional sunlight from HDRP folder day cycle at the sun prefab. The sun prefab automatically control the sun lighting based off the time of the day. Okay, you can control the intensity. Good. Okay, we want to first find the proper settings inside the lighting box. You need to open the lighting window, create a new profile, select your folder to create profile, new, my test. Okay, now we want in the environment, select the HD volume, find your volume and drag here. You want to use the HDR this guy. Okay, now everything is ready to bake or real-time GI solutions. I want to bake the real-time GI, so switch to the real-time GI, select your sunlight real-time. From the lighting window, you need to first bake using the very low resolution to see the preview of your lighting. Your large models must be static, terrain must be static. Your 3 models cannot to be baked, so we need the light props. Find the light props. We need a grid of the light props for our scene. You can generate manually to cover the whole scene. This must cover the whole scene. Okay, everything looks good. Nice. Okay, we want to use the light props to get the GI data to the real-time models. The 3 models are real-time. Now you can easily bake your scene to see the GI results into your scene. Using the very low preset, everything bakes quickly. Here you can see the resolution of the baked GI. As you can see, is very low. Okay, now as you can see, we have a very low GI result here. You can select your sun. From here, increase in direct intensity. As you can see, we have a real-time GI. Now you can bake in the low resolution or high resolution. From here, preferences, GI cache, you need to save GI cache to bake faster for the next time. As you can see, everything bakes faster because I have used their GI cache. Here you can control the overall GI intensity. The one is good. Now we have a higher resolution real-time GI. As you can see, we have a very higher resolution. The terrain can't receive the higher resolution. Real-time GI. Now everything looks good. You can add a spotlight here to see the GI results. From here, nice. You need to use custom value. Good. As you can see, we have a real-time GI. As you can see, the 3 models receives the GI from the reflection props. Everything looks good and realistic. Nice. Now play the game. Add the camera move script and play the game to see the lighting results in action. Okay, everything looks good. The only thing is the indirect shadows. We want to simulate the indirect shadows. So to simulate the indirect shadows, you need to use ambient occlusion effect. As you can see, ambient occlusion adds indirect shadows to our 3D models. The foliage needs the indirect shadows. As you can see, indirect shadows use it using ambient occlusion effect. Here you can control the indirect intensity, rotate the scene, the sunlight. Everything is real time. As you can see, everything is real time. Real time GI. Okay, nice looking. Jungle easily using lighting box. Finally, you can add more effects to your scene. Okay. Increase with contrast. Nice. Nice. Just you need to from here select different skybox. As you can see, the results has been used there. Okay. Everything looks good and realistic. Just let me to add a bit fog. To add fog, you need to move here. Max height, base height. Attention is the value intensity of the fog. This is the here you can change its color. Everything is easy using lighting box. Here you can use volumetric lighting. Select the sunlight from the volumetric, increase the volumetric multiplier. Where is the mouse? As you can see, the volumetric lighting can be controlled from here. Everything looks good and realistic. Nice. Everything is good. To capture cinematic results, you need to reduce the camera field of view and use the motion blur effect. Using this option, you can record the cinematics renders. As you can see, the field of view, low field of view makes your scene more realistic, more cinematic. From here, increase with contrast, depth of field, nice. Okay, now you can easily record the cinematic results like Unreal Engine. Motion blur and depth of field make your scene more cinematic. Okay. Enjoy from Lighting Box.